Ngo. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. Ngo. Good evening.
Hello.
And welcome again to our class. How are you today?
Good.
You're good? Are you sure?
Yeah,
Should-
yeah.
100%? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's very good to know that you are good. So now, are you ready for our today's lesson?
Okay.
Okay. So let's. Oh, oh, the sound is very loud. Okay, so we have our lesson or unit 5, which is about clothes. So right now, so we will talk about language practice, which is our lesson number 4. Okay, so let's take a look. Oh no, we cannot see the clothes. Is if it's okay, Ngok. So we will have a drawing activity later. But for now, listen to teacher first. It's okay. Is it okay? Is it okay? Okay?
Okay.
No? We will draw later,
Okay.
okay? After this. Okay? I
Okay.
will
Okay.
I will delete your drawing first. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay, I will delete, okay? So we will draw later. Okay? So we will just be fast in this lesson. Okay. So now let's review. Let's review what is this. Is it a t-shirt?
No.
No.
This
What is this? This is what
this
is
is
this?
this is uh uh shirt.
Okay, very good. This is a shirt. Nice. Next. How about this? What
Yeah.
is this? Nom 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 nom. What is this? This
This is the
is
t-shirt.
very
T-shirt.
nice. This is a t-shirt. Next.
Uh,
What is this?
This is
Um,
the shoes.
this is a shoes, or these are shoes. Perfect. Next.
Uh, this is
This
uh
is uh,
skirt.
okay, very good. This is a skirt. Very good.
Mm,
Next. How about this one? What
this is a
is
jacket.
jacket? Very good. Jacket. Oh, the next one is what is this?
Sock.
Okay,
This
one
a
more.
sock.
Okay, one more time. Let's say
This a
sock.
sock.
Sock. Okay, very good. No H. Okay, sock.
Sock.
Okay, nice. Next, what is this?
What? A
What is it?
watch.
Very good. It's a
A watch.
watch. How about this? Is it jeans? Is it
And
jeans?
no, it is a trousers.
Very good. This is trousers. So the difference between trousers and jeans. So jeans are mostly color blue. So they are denim. But for trousers, they are more formal. Okay. So that is
Okay.
trousers. Next.
Okay.
Ah, how about this one? What
Yeah.
is this?
So this
Hmm,
is a handbag.
handbag. Very good. This is a handbag.
Um,
What color is the handbag?
is purple.
It's purple. Very good. Purple handbag. Next, how about this one? What is this?
This is glasses.
Glasses. Wow, perfect. This is glasses. Do you have a glasses, Ngok?
No.
Very good. That's nice that you don't have a glasses because you're still young to have a glasses. Next. How about this one? Is this a shirt also? What
This
is what
this
is
is
this?
a dress. This is a dress.
Okay, perfect. This is a dress. Do you like to wear a dress?
No.
I know. What is your
No.
favorite clothing?
The
Angry.
cologne.
What's your favorite clothing? Do you like to wear t-shirt, blouse, shirt? What is your
Uh,
favorite?
I favorite. Uh, I favorite yellow.
Yellow?
Yellow.
Yellow
Yellow.
t-shirt?
Yellow shirt.
Oh, yellow shirt. How about do you like to wear skirt? That's a blue shirt. Do you like to wear a skirt?
Yes, I like uh purple.
Oh, purple. Oh, wow. You like your purple skirt, is that correct?
Purple skirt.
Oh, wow, that's very good. Purple skirt. So
Purple.
next, let's move on to our next one. Okay, so let's practice the words that we had learned earlier. Okay, so you will complete the clothes in the box. So you will first find. Okay, let's first find this one. Ngok. What
Uh,
color is this?
this is a pink.
Color pink. And can you circle? Oh, can you circle where is the pink? Can you circle? Where is the pink in the box? Yes, where is the pink in the box? Where is the pink word? Okay, very good. So what is pink? What is pink? Ngok. Is it color, things in the house, family, food, animals, or clothes? What is pink? Pink, pink
Mm,
is.
meat,
Oh, wait,
mud,
wait. Oh,
meat.
very good. Nice. Meat is food. Okay. So can you find all the words and you will write it in the box? Okay, go, go, go. So find all the words and after that we will check it.
Her
Okay. How about this one? What is this?
brother.
A brother. Oh, okay. Very good. Okay, find the
Brother.
words. Okay, good job. Okay, take your time. So find all the words and write it in here.
Mm, mm,
Find the where is the okay, take your
mm,
time. How about this one? What is this? This is
meat. Uh, oh no no no. This is uh uh
animal. It's starts with letter M. Mouse. What
this uh a mouse.
okay, can you find where is the mouse? Hmm.
It
Where
is
is
a
the mouse?
mother.
Oh,
Mother.
mother, very good. Okay, what is a mother? Is mother also food, clothes? Okay, very good. Nice. Mother.
Mother.
Where is the mouse?
A mouse. 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 Mouse.
Mouse, mouse, mouse. Where is the mouse?
Mouse. 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 Mouse.
I can see the mouse next to mother. The mouse, the word mouse is next to mother.
I can see.
You can see it now?
Mouse.
Okay, very good. So what is a mouse? Is a mouse a clothes? Oh, very good. Mouse is an animal. Very good, very good. Next, next, next.
Or
How about this? What are this? Ngok? Is this vegetables?
veg. Oh no.
No.
This is a fruit.
Okay, very. So these are fruits. Okay. Where is the fruit? I can see the fruit
Wait. Oh,
next to the
see. I
okay,
can
very
see.
okay, very good. Okay. So what is fruit? Is fruit clothes? A cloth?
Glow. 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 Okay. Glow. Shoo. 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 Shoo.
Wh-
Shoo.
What is fruit? Is fruit also food? Is fruit a food?
Fruit. Fruit. Oh. S. Only S.
Okay, very good. Nice. Okay, fruits. So now, where should you put the fruits? Is it in colors, things in the house, family, food, animals, or clothes?
Ding ding.
Where should you put fruits?
Oh God.
Fruits are
Food.
food. Okay, can you write fruits in the food? Right. Write it. Okay, very good. Nice. Fruits. Okay, so next, let's
War.
find what is this? What is this ngok? Do you still remember what is this? Hmm, this is a
Uh. I can see jacket.
oh jacket. Very good. Where? Oh yes,
Jacket.
very good. Jacket. Okay,
A jacket. Jacket.
nice.
Hmm. Gray. 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 Gray.
Gray. Okay, very good. Where is the
Gray.
gray?
Gray. Gray. This is.
Color.
Oh,
Okay, very good. Nice. Oh, where?
oh no. Gray.
Okay, oh, hello,
Eh?
where are,
Uh. Is.
okay, circle again, circle.
This.
Where
This
are your
is.
answers? Okay,
This is. This
this
is.
is,
This. This is. Uh. Um. Uh. Um. Uh. Good. Uh. Um. Uh. Brother.
you can do
Brother.
it. Brother. Where's my,
Brother. 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 Oh, I can see brother. Choo,
Okay.
choo,
Very good.
choo,
It's nice.
choo,
Hmm.
choo, choo.
Okay, let's write again. Let me write your answers. Brother. Where is mother?
Mother, mother.
Also circle the fruit. Where is the fruit?
The fruit is, this is, choo.
What's the meat? Okay, let me.
Mm,
Oh, is this what is this? Is this it? It?
meat is a meat.
Why is the letter
Meat,
M?
meat.
Okay. Meat. Okay. Hmm.
Circle.
Jacket. Where is the dress? Can you find what is this?
Jacket.
How about this one?
Jacket.
What is
Jacket.
this? This blue one.
Dress.
Okay. Can you find where is the dress? Where
Okay.
is the dress? Where is the dress?
Oh.
Where is the dress?
Dress, 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 dress. Uh,
Where is the dress?
dress.
I can I can see the dress
Whoa.
in the below, down,
Hello.
down. Look at the
Second.
second column in below.
Blue. Blue.
This one is the first, this one is the second. Where is the dress?
Dress.
Find it in here, this column.
Mm,
Excuse me.
um. Mm, mm, mm,
Give up, give up.
mm,
You,
mm.
you want me to point? Where is it?
Oh my god. A dress is a dress, a dress.
Okay, you want me to circle it?
Oh, I don't see a
Okay,
dress.
here. This is the dress. You cannot see. Okay, let me just chin
Oh,
in the rest. This is the dress, so it is backwards. So now, can you write dress? Where can we put dress? Is it in animals, clothes, things in the house?
go, a goat, a goat, a goat. Oh,
Mm, Where is the
oh,
dress?
poke, a poke,
Oh,
poke,
what is that?
case, case,
Huh?
bookcase, bookcase,
Where can you put the dress, Kok? Is it
book,
clothes,
bookcase,
animals?
bookcase,
Yes.
a
Where is the
book, a
where?
animal, uh,
Let me
uh,
find the bookcase.
this is, I can see a bookcase.
Where? Oh, this one. Oh, okay. Where where shall we put bookcase? Is it things in the house? Don't forget to write
Uh,
here. Write it in the box. Write the dress in the box and write the bookcase. Where shall we put
book,
Bookcase.
Is it
Is bookcase things in the house?
bookcase?
Animals?
Dear.
Okay.
Uh,
Can you write bookcase?
bookcase. Bookcase.
And where can we put a dress here in the box? Is it in the animals? Okay, very good. So next, let's find the other animal. So what animal is this, Ngok? Do you still
A goat.
remember?
A goat.
Goat. Okay, let's find. Where is the goat? Oh, I can see it now. I can see the goat. It's like
Oh, I
this.
can see.
Yes, very good. So it's like this. Okay, very good. Put the goat. Oh, we only have one. I know this one. What do we call this place?
Oh.
Okay, so clue. I will give you a clue. We call it as hall. It's
How?
hall. Can you
How?
fi- can you find where is hall?
Wait. Oh. 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 I can see.
Okay,
H
nice. H.
A L
Okay, very good. So
L
that's it. So that what is a hall? Hall is things in the
L.
house. Very good. So now let's check. Don't delete your answer. Let's check. Okay, so brother. So let's read the words. First is
R.
what is this?
A brother.
Brother. Next.
Uh, Ray.
Next one.
Um,
Look for the blue box. This one.
uh,
Next is what word
meat.
is this? Meat. Very good.
Eat
Next.
meat.
Next
The
is
dress. Dress.
huh? Is it dress? This one?
No. Brother.
Mother. Okay, next. Next word is what is the
Dress.
next word?
Dress.
Dress. Okay, very good. Next is
How.
hall. Next one is
This is is it is mouses.
mouse. Okay, next. What animal
Uh,
is this?
goat.
Next. Next word is what is the next word?
Uh, 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 mm, bookcase.
Bookcase. Very good. Next is this is a cloth. Clothing. What
Clothes.
is this?
Uh, jacket.
Jacket. Very good. And the next one? Oh, fruit. Only fruit. Next one is fruit. Okay, let's check your answers. Hall, bookcase, mother, brother, fruit, meat, mouse. Oh, you didn't write goat. Oh, where is, oh, you delete it. Okay, so all of your answers are correct. So very good. Okay, so now let's move on to our next activity. So you will choose a word from here, this one,
Oh,
from the
boy.
box, and you will write a correct word. Like for example, let's read this one. This.
Uh,
Hello. Let's read.
hello.
I'm
I'm Alice.
today.
Today,
I'm
today,
where?
I'm wearing a white hat and blue
What?
and
What?
blue
What?
nurses.
Huh?
Um,
What
a
is he
blue
wearing? A
jeans, Blue jeans.
Blue jeans. Okay, can you write jeans in number 1?
Jeans.
Very good. Next.
Holding on next brown.
Brown what? What is the brown that he is
Brown.
holding? Brown. What is that? Brown bag. Okay, next. I'm
Mom.
oh my. Very
Is
good.
is got from the
What for?
the
Look at his house.
window.
Window. Okay, very good. Do we use window? Window or
And
windows?
green door.
Window.
And
Okay.
green door. What am I? I'm a I am a boy.
Okay, very good. Nice. Okay, let's check this one. So, how many window does this boy have? How many?
Of
How many window?
uh is for window.
Oh, okay. Shall we use window or windows? Oh, yes.
Window.
Wi-
Windows.
Very good. I think you add S. Very good. Nice. So since we have 4 windows, we will use windows. So if we only have one, we will use only windows. Okay. Wow. Very good. So jeans, bag, house, windows, door. Okay. Perfect. So next. Oh, let's listen. Let's listen to this activity. And after that, you will write a name or a number. Okay?
Potter's
Okay.
practice test. Listening part 2. Look at the picture. Listen and write a name or a number. There are 2 examples.
Hello, what's your name?
It's Pat.
And how do you spell Pat?
P-A-T.
Right. That's a very nice name.
Thanks.
So, how old are you, Pat?
I'm 12.
12.
Yes, that's right.
Can you see the answers? Now you listen and write a name or a number.
Let's listen to number 1.
1,
Okay.
And where do you live?
I live in Hill Street.
OK. And what's the number of your house?
It's 17.
So that's 17 Hill Street.
Yes.
Okay.
That's a nice photo.
Very good.
Is that you in front of your house?
Yes. I'm wearing a red dress. And that's my friend with me.
OK. What's her name?
Grace.
Is that Grace?
Yes.
Very good.
3.
Next.
There are some dogs in the picture. Are they your dogs?
Well, the white dog's mine, but I've got 8 animals, you know.
8?
Yes. My dog, a cat, 5 fish, and a horse.
You've got a horse too? Wow!
How many? How many animals?
4,
Yes, but my dog's my favourite animal.
How many?
Is he? And what's his name?
Okay, we'll go
Mango.
back.
You spell it M-A-N-G-O.
Number 4.
That's a funny name for a dog.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Next.
5,
And how old is your dog, Pat?
He's 15 now.
15. So he's an old dog then?
Yes, he's a very old dog, but I love him.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay, so now let's check your answers, Ngok. So can you first read the question?
Um,
What is this one? Can you read this one? What
only
is?
only eight. Only eight.
Okay,
Ha-
very good. What is the
oh,
can you read this one? What is this one? What is?
what is the number of that house?
What is the number? It's
Is 17.
very
17
good. Next, what is?
was the bad friend name.
Okay, what is Pat's friend's name? It's what is her name? Okay,
Is
we read it as Grace. Let's say Grace.
Grace.
Okay, how do you spell Grace? How do you spell Grace? G R.
A-C-E.
Okay, okay, very good. Next question. Can you read this one? How many?
Uh, there are 8 cats.
There are 8 animals. Okay, very good. There are 8 animals that Pat has. Next, can you read the next question? What is, let's read the question. What is, can you read this one? The name?
Dog.
Yeah, what is the name?
Mango. Mango.
Mango, very good. And how old?
Mango.
How old is Mango?
Uh, is 15.
Very good.
15.
15
15.
years.
15. 15. 15.
15 what? 15 years old. Okay, so when we
15. Uh,
years old. So when we are saying an age, we say 15 years old. Okay, so let's finish the remaining slides that we have. Okay. Oh, I think we're finished. Wow. Okay, so this will be the end of our lesson, Ngok. So we will continue this lesson next Wednesday. Okay? Okay, so thank you very much for your time today, Ngok. See you again soon.
see you
Goodbye.
again. See you
Bye
again.
bye.
See you again. See you again. See you again. See you
Bye.
again. See you again. See you again. See you again. See
Bye
you again.
bye. See you again.